Since 2017, the Survey and Mapping Division have been using drones to support all sections and all divisions within DCC. We use drones to capture photos and videos to monitor the progression of large-scale capital projects for asset management, inspections and condition surveys. Drones play a pivotal role in improving workplace health and safety by eliminating the need for staff to access hazardous sites, which is extremely important to Dublin City Council.
Thanks to drone technology, we can get important information about how the site works, informing how best to allocate site staff and how to set up temporary traffic arrangements. These aerial surveys are very important for keeping track of progress on the project. They also help to identify potential delays to the project, which keeps us on track. With the help of drone technology, we're redefining urban travel, ensuring a more connected and sustainable Dublin.
In 2023, we started using drone technology to assist us with inspection and assessment of some of our more historic buildings. Drone surveys are helpful to us as they can provide clear and accurate images in close-up detail and assist quickly in our assessments. This method can speed up our on-site evaluations and also reduces cost and time expenditure.
DCC uses cutting-edge drone technology to help keep our city safe from flooding. DCC's drones were used to inspect the old quay wall and to produce orthophoto images to aid repair works. An orthophoto is a scaled image which allows the engineer to measure dimensions and highlight repair locations to the construction team. These advanced surveys were crucial for identifying defects and guiding repairs, all while ensuring the safety of our team and reducing traditional survey costs.
Drones are used by Dublin Fire Brigade to enhance both its awareness of risk at a site prior to any event happening and a response to an incident at that site if it were to happen. It gives the incident commander a fuller picture of what is happening at the incident and also allows them to make better, safer and more effective decisions on the ground. Fire brigades all over the world routinely use drones, and the Dublin Fire Brigade hopes to create a centre of excellence for this application in Ireland.